TikTok Shop Affiliate is the new gold rush. I have experienced firsthand how much money you can earn with just one simple video. If you've been using TikTok for the past couple of months, I'm sure that you have seen videos with tagged products. If you click on those links, you will be able to buy the products directly on TikTok. And the creator of that video will get a commission for every sale that they generate. No middleman, no agency, no Amazon affiliate link. TikTok automatically deducts the commission payment from the product sale and pays the creator directly. And this is amazing because you no longer have to be worrying about unpaid commissions. You can track every single sale that you generate, all within the same platform. Hey guys, it's the Ecom Bull here. In this video, I'm going to explain everything that you need to know about TikTok Shop Affiliate. How to get started and how everything works, how to get free vouchers from TikTok to buy sample products, how to request free product samples from merchants, and I will show you examples of videos and how much commission they generated, and also give you tips on how to create high converting product videos that sell. And I'm going to show you all of this from the creator perspective as well as the brand or merchant perspective, just so you can see how everything works together. So let's get started in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so let's start by seeing how much money we can make. I'm going to show you a video and I want you to guess how much money this video generated and how much commission this person received. So it's a video from this random creator, alright? She currently has 20,000 followers, but when she made this video, she had way less because it went viral. Let's have a quick look at her profile first. So she was getting what? 500, 700 views, 800, right? And then she killed it with one video, all right? This one. And she tagged a product. I'm going to play the first few seconds and also the ending, just so you get an idea of what kind of video we're dealing with.
My honest opinion as an esthetician on this snail mucin that's being talked about everywhere. This snail mucin, amazing. It's linked in my TikTok shop if you want it.
So what do you think about this video? I think this creator took 5 minutes to make this video, at most, but it got 6 million views and it sold a lot. You know how I know? Because my wife bought it after watching that video. And I haven't used it, so I'm not too sure. Probably I should use it and report back to you guys. But how much do you think this video sold? Let's see. So it got 6.77 million views and it sold $124,000. All right, this 5-minute video from a creator that had never gone viral before, she sold $124,000. And the commission on this product was 15%. So she earned $18,667. I think that's crazy. But there's a few things on this video that make it go viral and sell a lot. Alright, but we're gonna see those reasons later in the video. I want to show you something first. So this is the product that she was featuring on her video, right? In total, it has sold over $1 million. Alright? And you can see here all of the creators that have made videos. In total, there are 425 creators that have promoted this product, right? This is the girl that we were viewing. She is the one that sold the most, all right? She sold $124,000. But there's this other girl that sold $35,000. And then this other one that sold $14,000. And this is not even remotely the best-selling product on TikTok Shop. This is on position 10,000. This shop. So now I'm going to show you one of my products that was recently featured by a random creator. Okay, so we can see the sales and I will tell you the story of how everything happened. So I logged into my Seller Center account. Now this is what merchants see. Okay, this is their panel. Creators, they see everything on the actual TikTok app. And I'm going to show you that view as well. But here, just so you get an idea of how everything works, right? So if I go here to analytics and then I click on video analytics, I can scroll down and see the creators that have made content about my products. For example, there's this girl that made a video and she sold $12,427. Let's watch the video really quickly.
I was looking for workout clothes for my husband and I came across this shirt. So when you sweat, it changes. So like it's plain, and then when you sweat, words pop up and it's like, this is what hard works looks like. I got it in the mail today, but I was kind of curious to see how it would work. So I took my little spray bottle and I sprayed it with water. It didn't take very long for the words to appear, and I think this is so neat. And when I give it to him, I'm not even going to tell him that it does that. Same thing with different wording. So I'll probably be looking through those to see if I can find something else too.
Alright, so again, this video was pretty simple. But let's see how much money she made. Alright, so she made $2,554 from that video. And look, she made most of the money in just 3 days. Alright, you see, July 12th, $3,700 in sale, then $4,400 in sale, and then $2,300. She made the $2,500 in commission in just 3 days from one video. And this is someone that bought my product because she liked it, right? And then once she had it, she made a video about it and tagged the product in it. She could have asked for a free product sample, but she didn't. She actually paid for it. But I'm gonna show you later in the video how you can request free samples from merchants. And if you're wondering what this actual commission and also estimated commission means, basically you as the creator will receive the commission once the product ships to the customer and the customer receives it. Plus a few days just in case that the customer wants to return the product. And she made this video about a week ago, so not everybody has been able to receive the product yet. Now as a merchant, you can see everybody that made videos about your products, alright? And I want you to see something. This person here, this girl, also made a video and got 1,270 views, so almost nothing, but she sold $123. I am giving 20% commission on every sale, so she got paid about $20, alright? And I want you to see this video because this is crazy. Alright, so this video was just a slideshow of images that I have on my product page. And that's why I say that anyone can earn money from this, because look, she didn't even show her face. So I guess you're wondering, how do I get started on this hustle? Well, I'm going to leave a link in the description of the video to the TikTok Shop Business Creator sign up page, alright? In here you're gonna just scroll down, and with your phone you're going to scan this QR code. Now really quickly, if you're liking this video so far and you're getting some value out of it, please give it a like and also consider subscribing for more content like this. Now let's continue. So let's go ahead and scan it. And it will open your TikTok app, alright? And now there's a new requirement. Before this wasn't a requirement, but you have to be over 18 years old and now you have to have over 5,000 followers, alright? So if you are not there, you know, just hustle it, get to 5,000 followers and then start making some promo videos, all right? You can also pay for ads just to increase followers, but I mean, if you can get there organically, that's better. Now, if you already meet the requirements, you're gonna see this video showing up when you scan that code, all right? Because it will automatically open the TikTok app. Let's just go ahead and skip this video, and then you will have access to your TikTok shop backend. And here's where you do everything, all right? So for example, I'm gonna click on Product Marketplace. And here you can see every product that is available on TikTok Shop. If you want to add one of these products to your showcase, you just click on Add. And it will ask you to create a commission account to get started, okay? You will need to create a commission account to be able to earn commission on sales of products that you promote. You just click on create account and then you filled up all of your information, your bank account, all of that, and then you'll be able to add the products to your showcase. Once you have added a few products, you can see them here on the manage products link, all right? Here you will be able to see all of the products that you have, and how much you have sold and all of that. Now here is how you can get free vouchers from TikTok that you can use to buy products, all right? So when you log into your TikTok shop, you will see a banner here, claim coupons up to $60. A few weeks ago, it was $120, but they just changed it recently. And they change this all the time, like almost every month they have something new. Right now, this month is $60. If you click on that, you will go to the product marketplace and you can choose any product that you want, all right? And you will be able to use that voucher towards the payment. Now, the voucher only covers the product cost. but most products on TikTok have free shipping because TikTok is actually subsidizing the shipping for buyers and also for sellers, right? So I'm gonna open one here so you can get an idea. So this is one of my products, and if you make a video about this product and you sell one piece, you're gonna earn $5 on each product sold. And if you click on buy sample, then you can see how the shipping is free right here. And yeah, you can just buy, right there. Now, how can you request free product samples? This is not using your voucher that TikTok gave you. This is actually asking a merchant for a free product so you can make content about it. Let's go back to product marketplace, and here we're gonna put free sample just to get an idea. Here you will be able to see some products that offer free samples. For example, let's check out this wig. All right, so you see there where it says free sample, 18 left, and there's 45 requesters. You can click on request and request the free sample. Now you see how it says 18 left. Let me show you on the back end of the actual merchant how that looks. I'm gonna go to my affiliate marketing panel, click on open plan. This means that anybody can make videos about all of these products and get a commission, right? But also I have here, let's click on edit on one of these. I have it set up that I offer free samples. So I selected the quantity of free samples that I'm willing to give away. So in this case it's 20, and merchants are able to filter the people that request free samples. For example, here, just as long as you have more than 10,000 followers, you can request a free sample. Now, this does not guarantee that you're gonna get the free product, all right? Actually, let me show you something. If you go here to sample request, right now there's 25 people that are asking for a free sample. And I always go ahead every day, check them, and then I can approve the free sample or reject it, all right? And this is not guaranteed that you're gonna get the free sample just because you requested. So that's why you also have a little bit of voucher from TikTok in case that the merchant doesn't wanna give you the free product. You can use it to buy it, or you can just use your own money like that girl did from that video. And look, she made $2,500 in 3 days. But why did that video sell so much? Well, here's the 5 characteristics of a good TikTok shop video. Number 1, low production value. And I don't mean purposely making a bad video or recorded with a potato. I mean that the video cannot look like a commercial, with fancy edits, color graded, and in a professional set. Number 2, authenticity. People want to see real people using the product and hearing about their experience with it. You can review the product, what you're planning to do with it, and also show how excited you are about it. So features, benefits, and opinions, but you don't have to do it in that order. You can start with the benefits, then the features, and then your opinion, for example. Number 3, video duration over 30 seconds. TikTok now rewards longer videos, so no more of those 6-second videos from the past. Plus, if you connect with the viewer for longer, you can establish more trust, and you can also get more sales. Number 4, tag the product. Not only is this mandatory to get the commissions, but you will also get more views. TikTok is hitting videos with product links because they are pushing the TikTok shop so much right now. And also they make money every time someone buys through the platform, through their platform fees. And number 5, do a soft sell at the end of the video. You can say something like,
"It's linked in my TikTok shop if you want it."
And that little call to action is gonna incentivize people to click on that link and buy right there. It's very convenient and people have impulse buys. So, take advantage of it, but do not be pushy. If you're making it very obvious that you're just trying to sell to get commissions, then nobody's gonna buy from you. So just be easy about it, all right? The sales will come. So I hope you're getting inspired to start this new TikTok shop affiliate hustle. I think it's new, so there's many opportunities. Get in before it gets super crowded. And I'm gonna try this while I let you know about the other videos that you can watch. So in here, I'm gonna leave some videos about TikTok shop and also a video about TikTok promote, where I show you how to actually get a bunch of followers for really cheap, in case you don't have the 5,000 followers. I feel beautiful right now. So thank you. I'm out.